Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is my video about HD makeup on red suit, which one I have done on this Diwali. You can try this look on any festival and occasion. So before starting my video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button. So let's begin. For preparing my skin, I did Serum with toner. It's from Dot & Key brand. It hydrates my skin. Then I applied vitamin C serum for more hydration on my skin. It's also from same brand Dot & Key. After 5 minutes, I applied illuminating moisturizer. It's from Belora Paris brand. It keeps my skin the glow, soft and smooth. Then for nourish my lips, I applied lip balm. So this was my CTM before makeup. It's very important to prepare your skin, so don't skip this step. I started my makeup with primer, which is from Purple brand. It opens my pores and gives me soft and smooth touch. So you should try this primer. After that, I did color correcting with this orange creamy shade. It's from Belora Paris brand and I'm going to apply it with my finger on my dark circles. Now, for hiding my pimples, I applied this green creamy shade on my pimples and scars. It's from Romantic Way Perfect Cover brand. Now, to blend this all, I'm using blender from Usher Beauty brand. There is two types of blenders, small and big. For blending color corrector or contour, I'm using this small one. For foundation, I'm using this MAC foundation with this Strop Cream Hydrant illuminating, and I'm going to mix it both very well before applying. This foundation gives you full coverage, flawless look and HD glow. After applying, I'm going to blend it with this big blender. You just have to blend it in dabbing motion. Just dab on it. And don't forget to apply a foundation on neck and ear also. Blend it properly. For contouring my face, I'm gonna using this brown creamy shade from Romantic Way Perfect Cover brand. Make pout, then apply on it. This contour step makes my face slimmer and apply it on your jawline also. For powder, I'm using this pinkish glow loose powder. It's from Huda Beauty brand. This one is lightweight and gives you natural touch. Apply it with the help of brush on face and neck. Now, to set my base, I'm using this makeup fixer. It's from MAC brand and blend it all in dabbing motion. Now, it's time to do eye makeup. For eyes, I'm using this Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette. I had started with this light brown shade on my crease line with blending brush. Just blend every step on my eye makeup very properly. For more darker shade, I applied black eyeshadow on that same place and blending it both. On eyelid areas, I applied this light golden shimmery shade only. For eyeliner, I'm using this Pop eyeliner. It's from Swiss Beauty brand and I had made winged liner. On my waterline, I applied this white kajal. It's from Belora Paris brand. For mascara, I'm using this one. It's from Sugar brand. It gives me high volume and waterproof also. I applied on my lower lashes also. Now for powder contour, I'm using this nude eyeshadow palette and applying that dark brown eyeshadow on my cheekbones and jawline. Then for eyebrows, I'm using this eyebrows mascara. It's from Colorbar brand. For blusher, I applied this pink shimmery blusher on my cheekbones, nose and chin. It's from Colorbar brand also. For best part, highlighter, I applied this golden shimmery shade highlighter. It's from Huda beauty brand, and apply it on your cheeks, nose, forehead areas, chin and upper lips also. Before apply lipstick, make sure lining your lips with dark shade lip liner if you have thin lips like me. Otherwise you can skip this step. For lipstick, I'm using this small red creamy lipstick. It's also from Belora Paris brand. So guys, this was my look on this Diwali. I hope you like this video. Please tell your views in comment section about this look, and don't forget to like, share, comment this video. Please subscribe my channel. Keep supporting me, and thanks for watching.